Hello, this is Hidori from BricsMaven, and in this video I will be talking about radius variables. So as you see in front of you, we have a visual representation of the radius tokens that are used within this file. It ranges from radius XS all the way up to radius circle. So if we want to make any changes to the radius, we just go to our local variables, click on radius. Let me just expand these, and as you can see, we have all our values here for every single token. And making a simple change, for example, we have our XSL radius token. We could decide to bump this to 90, and you see the change taking place here. It's a circle now. I'm gonna bring it back to 76. It's almost a circle, and let me just put it back. And this is how you just basically make changes. Simply change the values and they will change here. You can also tamper with the values on mobile if you so desire. Change them there. I normally just leave them the same. And if you're thinking of adding a variable, I've added one here. There's an extra variable that's not represented here. We can just take this out. Let me add it again. So we just call it radius XXXL. Move it up, and then we say, okay, we want this to be this can be 72. This one will be a little bit more rounded than the previous one. So how can we test it out? So we click into here, just duplicate this. This would be an XXL, and I'll just click on the radius shape, and then let me close this. Go up to the radius field here in the frame section. Click on it, and we'll see our newly applied radius. Okay, set 0. Let me look why it has not been applied yet, or did I not? Wait, let me just go back real quick. Radius. Okay, I applied it on mobile. Smart. Okay, there we go. So, first of all, let me change this. Make sure you select the radius shape. Go up to the radius field, and there we have our new token and a new value. You can just apply that, and now we have it. So this is basically how you use the radius token. It's pretty straightforward, and this is also how you add a new radius token, or you can also edit the ones that are already here through the local variable panel. So I hope this video was clear. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.